Oh, fellow YouTubers, since I didn't have found some instruction or the translation is, I don't know, unusable for me, I had the intention to make you some how to use this VHU 56. I'm tired, excuse me. This screw here is to blockade or to disengage the warm drive. So when you close this screw, so it is pressing inside on the warm gear, it will the Schlitten, this part down here of the machine will not move. When you engage the automatic drive thing. Here is a screw inside. I assume highly this is for the ejection power of the automatic drive. So when you have trouble that the automatic gear is jumping out too early and the automatic feeding is not engaging, then adjust this screw somewhat here. Press it in. It must be some kind of spring in there. I assume this. I don't know it, but I did it and it worked for me. So maybe for you too. This is the automatic feed engagement button. Okay, you can lift it out and you can engage it when you want this part of the machine to drive from the center out and engage the automatic feed. You have to engage this pin. So now we have here some measurements: 0, 5, 10, 15 and 20. This is for the how much weight this has to achieve, so you are happy. I had mine. Now I cannot hold it, and then the phone. Excuse me a second. I try this to hold. Yes, this works. Just keep the holding bar here, and then you can move this ring down here. Now we have an eccentric movement of 5 micron or 5/100. This is the measurement, and or 5/10, what do I know? So now the machine is set up so it will engage the automatic feed. Now I have to hold this here and start the machine, but this is somewhat inconvenient for me, but I will try. All for YouTube. Oui. Or maybe I just take a longer screw, a longer bar. There needs to be normally another kind of bar inside there. Okay, this is open. This can work. Now we see, you can check here. There's flat now, there are 2. Now we engage in slow motion. And now you hear this movement. And down there, you see it is working its way from the inside out. Yeah, now we see it better. And when it has feed its way out, it will make some sounds, and the automatic feed button, it is here, will disengage. The machine is wobbling, of course, because this head is yeah, you don't see it. You see it. It's moving very heavy, the machine, but I don't care. It's just an example of how to work with this boring head. Now you see the button jump out. When it is done, zock, there you have it. And when it is jumped out, you are done with the work, or the machine is done with the work. Now, to get this puppy back inside, you just you loose the screw, and then you take some drill, battery drill or Makita Akkuschrauber, and turn it back inside. And that's all about it. This I have to disengage. This is the stop lock, or the stop, a stopper. I have now placed it about 15 millimeters from. This is an example of the center. So the center pin is the center of the Narex. Now we have here 15.5, and down here we have the same. So what you measure here, you get down there. And the automatic feed mechanism will stop when you set this. Will stop there where the lock or the stop part is placed from you. I've seen some people place here some parallel measurement blocks down there. I don't see how this works here, because this is very narrow. But when you take your measurement device like this, you can measure it, and you know exactly what it is happening. So this is for the automatic engagement. Now we don't want to have the automatic feed working for us. We just close down this screw like this, and now when we start the machine, it is like a normal, I don't know the word in English for it, like an adjustable Ausdrehkopf. I don't know the word in English, excuse me. I cannot know all. Yeah, then it is just turning on center, and it will not change. You can, when you want to have more, you just turn this screw, and the machine will change from the center outside. You can do this here very fast. There is some degrees on there. 120 degree equals 2 millimeters. So when you make one revolution to one of these markings here on the ring, excuse me, here are some markings. Yes, they are visible. When you make one turn, you move this part of the machine out. So 2 millimeters. You see it here, 2 millimeters, 2 millimeters, 2 millimeters, blah blah blah. When you don't want to drive this part out with so much movement, you can adjust it here. And this is 0, and then we have 1/10, and it comes out as much as you drive. So, and that's all about it. Okay, again, this is to lock the machine, the automatic feed mechanism, and here you adjust the automatic feed, how much it goes out. You have to take both hands, and then you can adjust it. This could work too. Yeah, this works too. But well, I don't have my camera with me. It's just a handy movie. So you can adjust this, and then you go here again to the automatic feed engagement button. Press it down and measure this distance here, and this is what you will get. And that's it about this Narex machines. This is a VHU 56. It's very nice, and they are very expensive, and I got really lucky with the price on this thing. I won't tell you how much I paid it. I've seen them going on eBay in the States for $4,000. This is not what I've paid for you. It was a steal. So the quality in aluminium, well, it is not pleasing, but the tungsten carbide was not adjusted perfectly, so I make a lot of mistakes, but hey, mistakes are made to learn. This I have to change, and this I will change too, because it is too flimsy and it is wobbling. It is not good to drive this head with such a wobbly or thin attachment to the machine. Well, but it's now late, and I will go home. This is a project for another day. Well, that's it for this VHU 56. I hope I could help you out, because I didn't find any usable information about it. Now we have some. Have fun milling. Bye.